Good morning, dear children. I hope you are taking good care of your health. Today, we will study about naming words. Naming words are also known as nouns. Children, everything around us has a name. Now, I'll show you a picture. In this picture, many things are lying on the table and something is lying below the table also. Children, if I ask you to pass me the thing without mentioning the name of the thing, it will become very difficult for you to understand that which thing ma'am is talking about. But if I name the things like pencils, apple, notebook, bag, now if I tell you to give me the apple, it will be very easy for you to identify and give it to me. So children, naming words help us to identify the things. So children, we have understood that if the things do not have name, it will become very difficult for us to identify. All the naming words, all the names are naming words, or we can say nouns. And children, naming words are person, person means insan, place, animal or bird, and thing. Person, place, animal, thing. These are the naming words. Children, look at the picture. In this picture, a girl is playing with her dog. Now I read the sentence. Simi and her dog are playing with a ball in the park. Children, in this sentence, Simi is a girl, so she is a naming word. Simi is a person. Dog. Dog is an animal, so dog is also a naming word, animal. Ball. Ball is a thing, so thing is also a naming word. Park. Park is a place, so park is also a naming word. Simi is a person, park is a place, ball is a thing, and dog is an animal. So person, place, animal, thing, all these are the examples of naming words. Now children, here I have written some words which you have to write in proper columns. 4 columns are here: person, place, animal, thing. And the words are teacher, lamp, hen, doctor, temple, camel, hospital and bag. Now children, one by one we'll decide that where the naming word should go, in which column. Alright. First word is teacher. What do you think? Teacher is what? Teacher is a person, place, animal or thing. Yes, teacher is a person. So we will write teacher in person column. Teacher is here in person column. Now lamp. Lamp is a person? No. Place? No. Animal? No. Lamp is a thing. So lamp will come here in thing. Hen. Hen is an animal. So hen will come in animal column. Hen will come here. Now doctor. Doctor is a thing, animal, place, person. Doctor is a person. So doctor will come here in person column. Temple. Temple is a person, animal, thing. Temple is a place where we go to worship. So temple will come in place. Now camel. You all know camel is an animal. So we'll write camel here. Now next thing is hospital. Hospital is a person? No. Place? Yes. Hospital is a place where we go for treatment. So hospital will come in the place column. Now bag. Bag is an animal, place, person or thing. Of course, bag is a thing in which you keep your things. So bag will come here in thing column. Here. Very good. Now, children, one more exercise to strengthen the understanding of naming words. Here I have written some sentences. You have to encircle the naming words in the sentences. First sentence is, the boy has a big nose. In this sentence, boy is a person. So boy is a naming word and nose is a thing which we have on our face. Nose is a naming word. Boy is a person, nose is a thing. So we will encircle boy and nose. Now next sentence, The monkey is eating a banana in the forest. In this sentence, monkey is an animal. Alright, so monkey is a naming word. Banana is a thing. And forest is a place. So, place, animal, thing, and place, all these are the naming words. So, circle, monkey, encircle, banana, and an encircle, forest. Next one, grandmother is feeding sparrows in the garden. In this sentence, grandmother is a person, sparrows are birds, and garden is a place. So, grandmother is a naming word, sparrows are naming words, and garden is a naming word. Very nice, children. Children, now we already have done the articles a and the. Now we will study articles and naming words together. Alright, children? Children, we know that we use articles with naming words. If the naming word is starting with the sound of a consonant, we use a in front of that word. If naming word is starting with the sound of vowel, then we write an before that, and the comes with both type of naming words, whether it is starting with consonant sound or vowel sound. So first sentence is, an owl is sitting on a wall. Here owl is a naming word and article is an. So an is coming with naming word. A article is coming with naming word. So children, do you understand that how important it is to have the understanding of naming words, that articles are used with naming words? Here a lion is chasing a deer in the forest. Lion is a naming word and a is an article. Deer is a naming word and a is an article. Forest is a naming word and the is an article. They are coming together. Next sentence, the man is going to the market. Man is a naming word and the is an article. Market is a naming word of place and the is an article. They are coming together. Next sentence, the girl is playing with a cat. Girl is a naming word and the is an article. Cat is a naming word and a is an article. They are coming together. The peacock is dancing in the zoo. Peacock is a naming word and the is an article. Zoo is a naming word and the is an article. So we understand that articles are used before naming words. Alright children, that's all for today, and see this video again because it is very important to understand the naming words, because naming words are the basis of many grammatical concepts. Alright children, take good care, drink lots of water. Goodbye.